Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we have a scent to explore which is Sundus from Abdul Karim Al Faransi, Maison Anthony Marmin. And Sundus actually means a fine silk dress, so it is kind of very delicate. So mostly it is used for woman name, so girls or woman name. So it is kind of feminine, name of the attar is feminine. So let's find out how it actually resonates with its name, or should we buy it or not. So I'm going to rip it off because it is difficult to, this is the bottle, this is the color, it is very clean white, maybe some musk or some other oils, maybe some florals. Let's find out. So I'm going to open it. Oops, sometimes it's very hard to open these sample bottles. Okay, so I got it. Let's apply it over here. Let's close it and oops. So here we go. Ooh, this is really nice. This is a very really lovely rose over here. Rose is really dominating. It's kind of remind me of Taif roses. Very beautiful rose. This is, I think this is one of the best from Abdul Karim Al Faransi. If I love roses, so if you like roses, I think in the florals I really enjoy roses. Rose petals, the smell of rose petals, it is sweet, it is airy, it is kind of like hint of citrus over there, because in the pure rose oil it you might find it a bit citric. The smell is a bit citrus, and the rose petals, they actually, when you move around, it is going to emit and surround in the air around you. This is one very really nice blend. I think there might be some white musk a little bit, just to make it more thick, because the rose oil is very watery. If you get the real rose oil, actual rose oil, it is very watery. Sometimes it might it might get thick in the winters or in the cold time, or in the winters where there is like 10 degree or lower than that. Some of the oils, they actually get thick. But this is a really nice rose. I'm getting just rose over here. Maybe I should try to apply it on my skin to see how it actually evolves and what it has to offer other than roses. So let's apply it over here. I'm not sure what he has used. Abdul Karim Al Faransi brother used to make it thick. So it is mostly roses. I am not smelling anything or sensing anything else than roses over here. Very beautiful rose. This one is really nice. If you like roses or rose attars or rose perfumes, I think this is one for you. If you are a woman and you like roses, love to wear roses, this is a must-have. Sundus from Abdul Karim Al Faransi. I never thought that someone can, feels like, pure rose oil, maybe rose petals, I'm not sure, but this is really nicely done. Oh, and if you like roses, this is a must-have. Do try this out. This is Memuna, which one was that? Sundus, sorry. This was Sundus from Abdul Karim Al Faransi, and this is my. Although now it is getting lighter, and although I have sniffed these kind of attars or oils in the mosques or masjid, because it is kind of very rosy, maybe some kind of rose, sandal rose kind of attar, but it doesn't, I don't feel any sandal over here. Maybe there might be very little amount of sandal, but I am mostly getting roses over here. So that is all. This is my review about Sundus from Abdul Karim Al Faransi. I hope you liked and enjoyed this review. I will give it like 7 out of 10 for scent profile, because it is not very unique. It is mostly roses. For power, I think it is going to stay well, because it is going to surround you with the roses. So I would give it like 7 out of 10. So 7 and 7 for both of these, performance and scent profile. I am getting a little bit of, there is some hint of maybe some chemical vibe somewhere, I'm not sure, but it is mostly roses, and I think he has used pure rose oil over here. Yes, this might be Hindi rose, I'm not sure, but this is a really lovely rose over here. So this is my review about Sundus from Abdul Karim Al Faransi. If you are a woman, I do recommend this for women. And if you like roses, then do try this out. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.